Welcome again. Okay guys, so in a previous lecture we talked about the headings and paragraphs and how we can define the heading and paragraph inside the pages. Okay guys, so today we're talking about the style, and it is really, and the headings and paragraph will more looking attractive when it have the different colors. We can change the fonts colors, and also we can change the font for the headings and font size, font text, everything, and also we just replace it in the center area. So how we can do this today we're talking about here for the styles. Okay, so guys, let me just define the head one. It's called the heading. Okay guys, so how we can change the background color for the headings. So how we can do this, you should write the inside the open tag of h1 style, and also write the background color. Okay, background color, and for example red. Okay, let me run on the now you're watching the whole area and the whole headings. The background color have changed. Okay, and also we can change the how we can replace it in the center area. So also you should rewrite the style and text align, and here center. Okay, when I refresh, so the heading 2 will be replaced on this page on the center area. You watching, it's just replaced on the center area. Also you can here for the right, it will replace in the right side. Okay, so it depends on you how you can use this. Okay, and then we can change for heading 1, change the font family. So what is the font family? You will see the font family about I just love it, Comic Sans MS. Okay, when I refresh it, the font, yeah, you are just seeing the font text in its difference from different. So you should have a lot of library, and also you download from the Google. There are a lot of font family. Okay guys, so I think it's enough for the style, and also we will talk about the reference styles in the CSS section, and after we finish the HTML course, then I will start the CSS course. So stay in touch with us and take care. Bye bye.